This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the tailgate. Remove the 2 screws securing the top rear combination light assembly to the body. Pull the housing straight out from the body. Rotate the bulb socket to align the lugs and pull the socket out of the housing. Pull the bulb straight out of the socket, then install the new bulb by pushing it securely into the socket. These steps also apply to the turn signal bulb. Align the lugs, then insert the bulb and socket fully into the housing. Turn the socket clockwise until it is secure. Install the housing by aligning the necessary studs to the body, pushing it firmly into place. Then install the retaining screws.